hot chicken thighs and rice, like paella, but hold the seafood. Let's cook. So, let's start with 3 cloves of garlic. Cut them up to fit the garlic press. That way, I don't end up with chunks of garlic floating around. An 1/8 of a pound of butter to add that buttery taste. And let the butter melt. Cut up half an onion. And add the garlic to the pan. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And the onion. And let those flavors melt into the butter for a minute. A 1/2 cup of frozen, or if you wish, fresh veggies. Fresh, of course, is more work. And add 2 cups of chicken broth. This is a one-pan wonder, so I'll just keep adding stuff to the pan until it's all done. I actually added another cup later when the rice started drying out. And some spices. A tablespoon of dried parsley, a 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Adjust these spices according to your taste preferences, especially the chili flakes. A cup of rice. This happens to be basmati and should soak up the 2 cups of broth nicely. It did need a bit more. And I cheated a bit. This started looking pretty bland, so a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric added a bit of yellow color. Totally optional. If the paella reference hits home, then use saffron. And let that cook. The rice needs about 15 minutes. So I'll add the chicken at about the 5-minute mark so it gets done at the same time. Cut up the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. I left all of the fat on the meat because it'll add a nice flavor and will disappear when cooking. The original broth has been absorbed, so slowly add another cup to the side of the pan. I don't want the rice to think it's done yet. Add the chicken to the pan. Mix the chicken in so it's well covered. And simmer for 10 minutes or so. Let's see if the rice is done. And this will double as a taste test. And see if the chicken is done. We'll give it another 2 minutes. Serve. Garnish with a few of the veggies saved from earlier. And enjoy! Just right and spicy, and so little to clean up. Wonderful. Ingredients for 2 or 3 servings. Half a cup of peas and carrots mix, an 1/8 cup of butter, 1 cup of rice, 3 cups of chicken broth, 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs, a half an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon dried parsley, a half tablespoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste.